Navigating the aftermath of a serious relationship breakup or divorce can feel overwhelming. Emotions run high, and the world as you knew it has shifted. However, this period can also be an opportunity for profound personal growth and healing. Here are several self-care strategies to help you reclaim your sense of self and restore your emotional well-being. First and foremost, allow yourself to grieve. A breakup or divorce is a significant loss, and acknowledging your feelings is essential. Whether it's sadness, anger, or confusion, give yourself permission to experience these emotions without judgment. Journaling can be a powerful tool during this time. Write down your thoughts and feelings, allowing the ink to capture your pain, your hopes, and your dreams for the future. This practice not only provides an outlet, but also helps you process your emotions more clearly. Next, prioritize your physical health. The mind-body connection is strong, and taking care of your body can significantly impact your mental state. Start by establishing a routine that includes regular exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or hitting the gym, physical activity releases endorphins, which can boost your mood. Complement this with a nutritious diet. Eating well nourishes your body and mind, helping you feel more energized and focused. Don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for maintaining your overall well-being. Another crucial aspect of self-care is reconnecting with your passions and interests. After a breakup, it's common to lose sight of what you love. Take this time to rediscover hobbies that bring you joy. Whether it's painting, gardening, or playing a musical instrument, engaging in activities you enjoy can provide a sense of accomplishment and happiness. Consider trying something new, too. Taking a class or joining a local group can open doors to new friendships and experiences, helping you rebuild your social circle. Social support is vital during this time. Reach out to friends and family who uplift and encourage you. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can provide comfort and perspective. Don't hesitate to share your feelings with those you trust. Sometimes, just talking about your experiences can lighten the emotional load. If you find that your emotions are too heavy to carry alone, consider seeking professional help. A therapist can provide valuable tools and insights to help you navigate this challenging period. Establishing boundaries is another important step in self-care. If you're still in contact with your ex, take time to consider what's healthy for you. Sometimes, a break from communication can provide the space needed for healing. Reflect on what interactions are beneficial and which ones may hinder your progress. It's okay to prioritize your well-being and step back from relationships that are not serving you. Mindfulness and meditation can also play a significant role in your healing journey. Practicing mindfulness helps ground you in the present moment, reducing anxiety about the future or regret about the past. Start with just a few minutes each day, focusing on your breath or engaging in guided meditation. Over time, you may find a deeper sense of peace and clarity, allowing you to approach your healing with a calmer mindset. Lastly, embrace the idea of self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself as you navigate this transition. Understand that healing is not linear. It's a process filled with ups and downs. Celebrate small victories and remind yourself that it's okay to take things one day at a time. Treat yourself as you would a close friend going through a similar situation, with kindness and understanding. In conclusion, self-care after a breakup or divorce is not just about distraction. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. By allowing yourself to feel, seeking support, reconnecting with your passions, and practicing self-compassion, you can emerge from this experience stronger and more resilient. Remember, this is your journey, and every step you take towards healing is a step towards rediscovering yourself.